This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.